Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a community on Twitter. Open your web browser and type Twitter. Log in to your Twitter account. Tap on Communities on the left side of the column. Here, different communities are shown. Click on three dots to see less often. Tap on plus icon on the top right corner to get verified to create a community. Sign up for Twitter Blue to continue. Tap on Get Verified. Choose the right verified subscription for you. You can select as an individual or an organization. Tap on Subscribe. Blue subscribers with a verified phone number will get a blue check mark once approved. You can choose your annual and monthly payment method. It costs BDT 4900 per year, and clicking on monthly, it costs 850 BDT per month. Now go back and check out communities. By clicking Ask to Join, you can join a community. You can join as many communities as you want by tapping on Ask to Join. That's how you create a community on Twitter. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.